Okay, I just went out this morning. This is the load. Not a decent bit of cans, a decent bit of scrap metal. We're gonna check that umbrella in a second. That's my third umbrella, like large patio umbrella of the week, and 2 of them have been aluminum. I found this. I don't know if this is gonna have any value or not. It looks old, so I'm gonna look it up. And then not a lot of glass. Honestly, it's really odd not to get a shit ton of glass. Some more aluminum. I got some little Caesars coupons. Those are always nice. Let's check it. Is this umbrella going to be aluminum? Yes, it is. You guys believe that? 3 out of 3 umbrellas I picked up this week. And some aluminum rims. Some light ballasts. I have to remove the ballasts. Meyer does not buy ballasts whatsoever. Non-ferrous, shred, they don't want them. They're really simple to take apart. I just put them on the ground and I break them with a hammer, and then you just have to break up the tar that's inside of them, because that's all that's inside of them is tar and a transformer. So I do that, so that way I can get rid of them. Or I can drive them to my dump, but I don't feel like driving them to my dump. So they got recycling for the stuff like that. But yeah, I didn't film none of this. I'm gonna go back out again now. I might film that, and I'll see you guys later, either tonight or tomorrow. Another ceiling fan. That's 2 for the week. There we go. Vacuum. Found a lot of these this week. You always find lots of vacuums though. Anything else? Don't want the plunger. Take the Bud Light. And we'll go with that. I forgot a bag for empties. Damn. Where do you think that came from? Look at that. The tabs corroded away. Label's almost gone. Oh, that one too. Look at them. That looks like it's almost been sitting like a swamp. We're not going to take a lot of pop. We'll take a little. And everything wants to go away on me. Wow, that's a good house. Look at all that. Got a bike. I'm just going to remove the wheel off to get it in. That's just going to be plastic, and I got this thing. So yeah, I'm going to get this stuff loaded. I'll see you in a second. We'll put those in there in a second. I'm just gonna put this back here actually. And I'll see you at the next one. Christmas tree. Picked up some other stuff. But yeah, Christmas tree. We're gonna be full before we know it. I won't even Ugh, can't get my words out. This isn't even the section I wanted to run. There's a whole other section I'm gonna have to go back to run that too. I'm gonna fill up here. But yeah, we're doing good. Okay, we got an umbrella. Oh, come on. So now I wanna, there we go. I moved the chairs up here. Should have brought a bungee or some rope or something. Oop. I already can see the mouse nest. That's gnarly. That's what happens in the right. People put these in their shed and then the mouses get into them. Wonder if this one will be aluminum too. I don't think it will be. It doesn't seem like it would be aluminum. And I just made a giant mess. And I didn't bring gloves because it was rainy. Yeah, who cares, honestly. I try my best. It's not a huge deal if I leave a little mess. Picked up a canopy off camera. And some other stuff, some trampoline poles. That's why I reorganized. Yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. More scrap metal. The city's surveying flags in a bundle for me. And it's a chair. I think this bike I'll probably be able to sell. I have 2 bikes up right now for sale, and both of them have tons of people interested. One's 15 and one's 20. They're both in not good shape and need a lot of work. The one needs a whole new rim, and it's so many people are asking for it. It's only 20 bucks. So I always have good luck with selling bikes. I just always post them really cheap, and people always buy them. Oh, they make that one with alcohol now. Yeah. You don't see black fly in can very often. Take the foil, why not? Okay, not bad. Pick up some stuff. Might as well put their lid back on their can. Oh, wonder about that. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. We're still going, filling up. That's kind of curious. Picked up that thing. That thing's heavy. It's a cast iron piece. Decorative thingy. That bus was coming way too close for comfort. Learn how to fucking drive. Yes, I am parked on the wrong side of the road, but treat me like a parked car. And give me some space. Fill the bottom up of the trailer up with cans, filling all the gaps. And there we go. Okay, we're back. This is the load. I picked up a bunch of stuff off camera. This umbrella is steel. So whatever, the 4 umbrellas this week, 1 is steel. Got the bike, which I'll probably will resell, put the stuff up here, right? All the scrap I just gotta get offloaded in the trailer. And then I picked up this off camera a while back, actually, on Tuesday. I just didn't show you guys that. I also picked up the stroller, picked up the lamp and another Curie last night because I went out after it stopped raining later in the evening. A guy also gave me a Polaris 4-stroke quad motor engine, whatever you want to call it. And then I figured so yeah, the only stuff that I got in the car from all this was this high, like up to this rail, and to here was the stuff I got in the car. None of this stuff, like all this stuff up here as you saw, was all collected on my bike, right? Because it only went to here, I think, right? So yeah, really good week for collecting scrap on my bicycle. All right, I collected all of this. All right, it's hard to believe. 2 toaster ovens, 2 Christmas trees in garbage bags, 2 vintage old chairs with their shots, they're going. Another bicycle. This bicycle's up for 20. I had a guy come and look at it yesterday. I got another guy possibly coming today, and then I got another bike back there that's the yellow one you guys saw me pick up. I think I showed that on camera. Might have not. That one's, someone's coming to look at that today as well. Probably buy it for 15. But I'll get this one posted later today, or I might keep it for myself. I'm not sure. I just popped. I thought there was alcohol in here. Saw that. It's Thursday today. Haven't filmed Thursday in forever. Okay, I'll see you on the next one. Just so where it is St. Patrick's Day day, and it's like 20 degrees outside. Yeah, it's literally 20 outside today. Like I'm in shorts and a t-shirt. Whatever, it's nice out. People will probably be outside drinking on their patio. It's nice, and all the snow is basically melted now. There goes a scrapper. So you got a dishwasher and a hot water tank. Hey, that's everything. I'll see you on the next one. Surprisingly, there's not a lot of stuff out. I thought it was nice people would have their stuff out early. I mean, people have their stuff out, there's just nothing in it that I want anyway. There we go. Well, that's pretty nice. Okay, that's everything. Steel. Yep, just like I thought. A lot of these snow brushes nowadays are made of aluminum. So this handle right here, I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna check it, but I bet you that'll be extruded aluminum, because I had one, it broke on me over the winter, bent completely in half, and the handle was aluminum. And my yard buys that as extrusion. So you gotta keep your eye out for those snow shovels, because extrusion where I live, I think was like a 2 something a pound. Okay, yeah. So a lot of the newer snow shovels, the poles are made of aluminum. My yard buys this as extruded because it's, yeah, there's got to be a certain gauge of thickness in order for it to be extrusion. But this was mine. I just cut it up now as it got buried underneath the snow. And it's extruded too. Yeah, aluminum's very common, and this is quite easy, right? Even if you just, like, even if it still has the shovel on it, you probably break it off there because aluminum's easy to bend. This was the load, not a lot, a little bit of steel. I always grab the stuff. It's lightweight and it takes a lot to add up, but even if all week long, like, I'll grab stuff like this, and I always get a couple 100 pounds by the end of the week. Right? That's what I got so far for this week. These will just be scrap. I don't need them for anything. And some other steel down there I picked up. Yeah, I'm gonna go out later tonight and I'll see you then.